Assalamu alaikum guys and welcome to the channel. This is me Jawad and today in this video we are going to discuss how we can integrate project data of P6 into Power BI in less than 10 minutes. Many people have asked me in last 1 week, 2 weeks that how we can integrate, what type of data we need to extract from P6, are these reports for specific projects or can they use these reports and dashboards in their projects. So I will be answering all these questions in this video. So let's start how we can integrate. So right now you can see here all the values are blank. So this is a template file, nothing is here, no progress, no baseline values. So you can see everything is empty. So the first thing we need to do is go into the P6 and export some data. So this is my template, we need to export this data. So what we will do, just copy, select all and then just paste into our sheet. So this doesn't take much time, like 5-10 seconds, 15 seconds sometime. It also depends on the type of data and the size of data of your project. So what I will do, just copy this data and I will go into my file. That's my file. I will go here and you will see some tabs here. So I will just paste my data here. So I will see, I can see, okay, yeah, my data is pasted here. Control S, save the file. Now I need to export one more data from P6. I will go back in P6 and here from this window, export spreadsheet, these two values, and I have a template for that. Means all the values which are required I have here. So you will also have these templates once I give you these files. So let's say here I want to make it export, the name of the file export, and we are exporting as well. So this also takes like 2 minutes or 2.5 minutes. It depends on the size of the project data you are exporting, like number of rows or activities, and also the power of your PC. So currently I am exporting around 6,000 activities, 5,700. Yeah. So it takes like 1 minute. So I think I will pause the video here and after 1.5 minutes I will resume it. So guys, data is exported here. So now what we will do, we will go into that file where we exported the data. Here we will have task resource, which is our resource assignment. I will copy this data. I will go into this file, this resource assignment, and I will paste my data here. Similarly, I will go here in task activities and I will select all data, go back in my activities and I will paste my data here. So you can see right now here's one button which is assigned to macro. So the macro will work in behind and it will populate our data based on our reports which we have designed in Power BI. So just click here, all the data will be populated. So now what we need, just simply save this file. Up till now only 3 to 4 minutes have gone. So the one step which is remaining now is just go into Power BI and just click here refresh. So once you click refresh, this process will take I think 1 or 1.5 minutes maybe, or 2 minutes. So then it will bring all the data from P6 through this macro and through into this Power BI, and we will see here all the values, all the report data will be updated. So guys, actually we need to understand there's a huge difference between P6 integration with Power BI and design of Power BI reports. So P6 integration will not take less than 5 minutes or not take more than 5 or 10 minutes. So but the design behind these reports is a massive thing. It's a complex thing. It requires a lot of expertise in Power BI. It requires the knowledge of M language, DAX language, macros. But this, once you have made your report, it will be general and you just need to just copy paste data here and there and all your reports and things will be done. So now you will see my data will be coming here. Yeah, you can see here now. I just click refresh and all the data is here. So guys, we can see in the other sheets as well, the data is updated. So just by clicking refresh, we know that now data is updated in all the sheets. So now everybody knows how we can integrate our P6 data with Power BI. So I will be posting the details in near future, because things are going on in behind. I need to clarify them, and then I will be posting how you can acquire these reports and where from you can acquire. So in the meantime, I will show you something more, because in previous video I told that I'm updating the CPIs and the quantities. So I have finished the quantity and CPI as well. So I found quantities are very good if you want to monitor through these reports. They're very powerful. So let's say if I want to check any quantity of my earthwork, if I go here, it will show me the unit here. I have mentioned unit, how much is remaining, how much the variance. And let's say if I want to go to click here block work, it will give me the unit and the quantities, planned value, earned value for the quantities. Now here block work, so it will give me which area, which zone, how much block work is done, even the actual dates for them, when it was done, when it was finished. All the information will be available. Furthermore, I have added few more things. Let's say if I go here in detail cost sheet, even in all sheets you will find the critical. I have found the placed here the critical activities. Let's say if I click here yes, it will give me the data for all critical activities till I select the date. Let's say till the end of the project, these are my critical. Total cost for critical is remaining 13.3 million. So if I want to check okay non-critical, so it will give me the non-critical cost is like 373 million for overall project. Similarly, I can see status wise, let's say completed activities. It's telling me all the information about completed activities, all the information about in progress activities now. So there are many things we can monitor through, and we can have very good idea about our project. So I think we will be discussing all these values, these tabs. There are many tabs. Every tab has significance. There are many more I wanted to include, but because of some limitations of the space, and because of information will be overflow for many people, so I don't want the important information I have kept here. So I will be discussing in detail what is the use of these reports, these values, and how important they are. So for that, I think I need little time. Soon I will be posting the videos how you can acquire these reports and how to use these reports. So thank you for watching. God bless you. Stay safe, stay blessed.